may affect the incoming senior high school students on choosing their or strands based on their parental influence, financial stability, interest, and environmental factors.
Good day everyone, I'm Mrs. Rapiana and I'm here to present with you about definition of terms. For clarity and a better understanding of the study, the following terminologies are hereby. Grade 10. The term grade 10 is generally refers to the 10th year of formal education. It is an often significant year in high school education. As students who begin prepare or look for more advanced study and may start academic potential, exploring academic career paths. Next, academic strand. Typically refers to specialized track pathway within a high school curriculum that aim to provide students with a strong foundation in academic subjects and preparing them for further education and at the college or university. Next, it is an element factors. Sorry. It is an element that influences something such as event, discussion, situation. The factor means to consider something relevant when making a decision or conclusion. Next, financial stability. Provide a foundation for economic growth, prosperity, and resilience. It is being able to cover your expenses without struggling. Next, parental influence. It is defined as any opinion, attitude, or action that somehow plays a crucial role in shaping or modeling the child's attitude. Next, environment. It is everything that's around us. It is living or non-living things that can affect or influence human life. Last, interest. It is the feeling of a person whose attention, concern, or curiosity is particularly engaged by something. That's all for our definition of terms. Now let's proceed with literature. Again, I'm Sophia Fernandez. And I'm Trisha Fernanda. And we are here to present the key of literature. The K-12 program implementation started in batch 2011-2012. The K-12 program is found to be an adequate period of learning under basic education in its distinction requirement of professional and non-professionals in our country and foreign Asia or non-Asia countries. It offers a balanced approach to learning that will enable children and students to acquire, know, and learn more skills in different fields of education by taking up vocational and later professional degree courses. It is such a crucial decision on what strand grade 10 students have to choose. Those strands will decide what career they'll be having in the future. The number of educated people is now decreasing because of the different circumstances that they have to face during the days that they are trying to step up in their lives. According to the study that was conducted by Cervera, Trevino, and Murdoch in year 2016 that examined the factors affecting grade 10 students in choosing their preferred track for senior high, they have concluded that parental influence, aptitude, interest, and environmental have a significant factors are the significant factors that affect a grade 10 students when it comes to decision-making process. But in the process of our study, we determined that financial stability is also one of the factors that affects a student's decision-making process. Let's now start with the first indicator, parental influence. It has also been demonstrated that parental views have a significant impact on their children's education about their academic performance, profession, and ultimately how their behavior influence their employment decisions. Whether on purpose or accidentally, parents have a big impact on their kids' professional decisions. According to the results of the literature research, their influence can inspire kids to follow a career path feel about their children receiving an education for a career. According to Nawabi in year 2019, parents with varying demographic and psychographic traits have a varying expectations for their children's schooling. On the other hand, on the survey that was conducted by Cervera, Cipino, and Verdrum in year 2016 that I mentioned earlier, the statement I always try to make my parents proud of me got the second highest grade among all the statements that was under the four indicators. When we adopted their survey sheet, the same statement got a mean of 4.62 that has a that was described as very high. On that case, we concluded that a parent's opinion matters in child's professional and personal life, and it also have a significant impact on a children's decision-making process. Let's now move on with the second indicator, financial stability. Based from Dodd et al. In year 2018, the researchers observed that most students consider their family's capabilities to support their needs when they're choosing a strap. Financial stability is the most important stage of selecting an academic strand for each student. Additionally, students are already dealing with issues such as out-of-pocket expenses, using savings to overcome financial constraints, learning how to create money and manage it to last, and taking out loans to cover living expenses. According to a study conducted by Ludwig et al. 2018, students dealing with financial problems may also deal with problems in choosing their senior high school grad. Financial stability, especially your parents' income, are one of the factors to be considered when choosing a strand or career to take out for your future. Next is we have the third indicator, which is the interest. According to Bhattacharya et al. In year 2021, it was observed that students consider their skills and abilities in choosing a strand and they consider their interest as a student in choosing an academic strand. Educational aspiration is an important factor that motivates students for better academic success and also directs them in a better way that reflects the individual. Based on that study, we students, as we grow older, we discover new things about ourselves, such as our abilities, skills, hobbies, and most of all, our interests. When selecting a strand for senior high school, it may help to know these things. Interests are one of the factors to be taken into account when choosing a strand. By deeply understanding ourselves, our personality, and our interests, we can easily decide and choose the strand in which we think we can excel. Considering our interests when choosing a strand can lessen some hassle because simply our interests are those things that make us feel motivated, happy, and productive. Now let's move on to the fourth indicator, which is the environmental influence. Based on a study conducted by Kroll et al. Year 1970, throughout a career, an individual seeks to accommodate the surroundings with one's group, while at the same period of time being assimilated into the environment. Career development is stabilizing or recognizing and meeting requirements of the individual while at the same time answering to the outer forces and realities of life. Developing a career involves responding to life's realities and outside influences, while also recognizing, balancing, and meeting each person's needs. When selecting a high school track, students need to take into account their desired professional route and their skill set. Students will then have the option to follow a course that aligns with their personal goals. A person with a career knows exactly what they want to achieve and how they will fit into the world. Now let's move on with the chapter 3, methodology.
Now that we already presented to you our chapter 1 and 2, we can now proceed to our chapter 3, which is the methodology. For our methodology, it consists of 4 parts. They were research design, research instrument, data gathering procedure, and statistical treatment of data. First, let's talk about the research design or what is research design. The research design refers to the overall strategy that you choose to integrate the different components of the study in a coherent and logical way, ensuring you will effectively address the research problem. It constitutes the blueprints for the collection, measurement, and analysis of data. And now for our research design. The study aims to identify the different factors that may affect grades and students in choosing academic standard track. On this research, we use the quantitative method as our research design. Quantitative research is the easiest way to gather data about choosing a strand for a senior high school student. The researcher used it to count and put the respondent's opinion about a strand in senior high school into numerical form. Next for our methodology is data gathering procedure. Data gathering procedure refers to the systematic method and steps used to collect and analyze data for a specific purpose or study. And now for our data gathering procedure, the researcher looks for a questionnaire as the first procedure before gathering the data. We use the questionnaire on this study, Factors Affecting Grade 10 in Choosing Track, conducted by Cervera, Divino, and Berjong in the year 2016. And so now that I already discussed to you what is our research design and our data gathering procedure, we can now proceed to the second part, which is the research instrument. The survey questionnaire was composed of items that are rating scale. The questionnaire consists of 4 indicators and has 6 statements each. The indicators are parental influence, financial stability, interest, and environmental factors. The respondents will answer the questions using the 5 Likert scale. 1 will represent the highly disagree, 2 will represent the disagree, 3 will represent the neutral, and 4 will represent the agree, and 5 will represent the highly agree. And now we can proceed with the statistical treatment of data will be presented by Ms. Sophia Athena.
For our statistical treatment of data, we use the Likert scale and average weighted mean to gather, compute, and interpret the data. For our formula, we use x is equals to fx over f, where x is the weighted mean, fx is the sum of all products, and f is the total number of our respondents. Now that we already present to you our chapter 3, which is the methodology, we can now present to you our chapter 4, which is the summary of results. Again, I am Sofia Fernandez.
I'm Brandon Calisterio.
I'm Brian Armayo.
And I'm Julieta Pablo.
And we are here to present the summary of results. Based on the data we gathered, the first table shows the total number of respondents in terms of gender. With a total of 60 respondents, the highest frequency is 36, or for 60% each are the females, and the lowest frequency is 40% each are the males. That brings us the total of 100%. For the second table, it illustrates the results of the fifth statement under the category of parental influence. The statement 5 gets the highest mean. I always want to make my parents proud of me, which has a mean of 4.62 and is described as very high. On the other hand, the statement that got the lowest mean is number 2, which states my parents is my proud. It has a mean of 1.96 and is described as low. The first indicator, parental influence, gives an overall mean of 3.21 and described as moderate. These results show that parents significantly influence their children on choosing career paths in the near future. In sometimes, students are unwilling to pursue or even investigate varied career alternatives in the absence of parental approval.
For the third table, it illustrates the result of the sixth statement under the category of financial stability. The statement number 4 that is made of which state I consider very early potential when choosing my academic strength, which state as made of 4.17 and described as high. Furthermore, this state get the lowest grade, which state I grab whatever strand that suit the courses that I can afford when I go to college. It has a made of 3.52 and described as high. The second indicator of financial stability gained overall rate of 3.79 and was described as high. Permanent income is significant for students and in attending post-compulsory education, even some of them are experiencing financial constraints that affect their decision making to attend the Chabler et al. 2013. This result that students prioritize considering their earning potential when selecting their academic path, as indicated by the mean score of 4.72 for statement number 5. Conversely, while affordability plays a role, it's not the sole factor, as shown by the lower but significant mean score of 3.52 for the statement number 1. Overall, these findings suggest that students prioritize financial stability along other side when making decision, when making an academic decision. And now, let's look into the third indicator of the interest.
For the fourth table, it illustrates the results of the sixth statement under the category of interest. The statement 1 got the highest mean. I want to excel on the track I chose, which has a mean of 4.68 and is described as very high. On the other hand, the statement that got the lowest mean is number 5, which states that I chose my track because I idolize this kind of work. It has a mean of 4 and is described as high. The third indicator, interest, gained an overall mean of 4.38 and described as very high. Choosing the right strand in senior high school is critical as it can significantly impact your future academic and professional trajectory. Before making a decision, it is essential to consider your interests, strengths, and career goals. Based on the results of this table, students consider and choose the strand they want to excel with, and they think will align with their capabilities and interests. Lastly, for our last table, we have the environmental influence. Let's proceed to the fifth table that illustrates the results under the environmental act. In this pathway, there are 6 statements that indicate the results of the survey under the environmental act. The statement
Angel Leonard Atenta. And I'm Manuel Romo.
And I am Lisa Triano.
And we are here to present the recommendation of our research study. Based on the results and findings of our study, here are some recommendations that we came up with. For students just like us, we recommend the following. First, select a senior high school strand based on your interest, strengths, and career goals. Research truly and seek advice from professionals to maximize learning and growth opportunities. Second, research each available strand, including subjects, career paths, opportunities, curriculum, extracurricular activities, and job prospects to gain comprehensive understanding of each subject of each strand and element. Third, seek advice from professionals, teachers, counselors, and seniors for insights and informed decisions. Consider talking to alumni for personal perspective on this program. Now let's proceed to parent recommendation. For parents, we recommend the following. Parents support the education of students and will senior high school allowance if necessary to subtract by their individual. Parents must support the needs of their child with information to reach a desired goal. Parents should not play a positive role in the outcome of their children's career decision. They should be students and the decision of their child will allow their child to choose their own career. And parents play a crucial role in their child's career program development as a student is selecting the best job suited to their child's needs. And this is for parents. And now let's proceed for teacher recommendation.
Lastly, for our teachers, we recommend this following. Educators are crucial in readying students for obstacles. Standard adequately equip students with the skills and knowledge they need. It will be reassuring for educators to know that students are enrolled in courses that align with their interests and abilities. This can make it easier to expand student knowledge as they have a chosen academic strand that suits them best. The educator should provide students with a comprehensive information, guidance, and self-reflection to help them explore the various academic or career strands, enabling informed decision-making based on their interests, strengths, and aspirations. That's all for our recommendation. A pleasant day to everyone. Again, I am Tisha Maidanlag, and I am now here to end the discussion of our research entitled Factors Influencing Strong Choices Among Selected Aided Students at Jesse Martin City National High School, Concho Annex for school year 2023 to 2024. To summarize it all, the factors influencing strong choices among selected graded students in EMC NHS Concho Annex for school year 2023 to 2024 were the main subject of our research study. Our goals in conducting this study were to ascertain the process by which graded students select their senior high school academic strand and to investigate the particular variables that might influence the decision-making process of entering senior high. Using a survey questionnaire that we adopted from the study, from the 2016 study, Factors Affecting Graded Students in Choosing Their Preferred Track for Senior High by Cervera, Divino, and Verdon, we were able to draw the conclusion that a student's decision-making process may be influenced by a variety of indicators
one thing that you have observed that needs to be improved? Or you think you have to do a little better? To be answered by any member of the group. Okay, any representative from the group?
I think our group will need to improve our speaking and the deliberation of every part on this slide.
Okay, I do not have problems with regards to the delivery because first thing, that's very clear. Your voices are very clear. What I would like to improve a little better would be about time. Okay po, yung time. Kasi po medyo marami tayo. But, speaking of those, first, you have provided a clear intro of your study. So, inabay din ang motivation behind. Next is, you have included hypothesis since your questionnaire is adopted. So, that's one good thing. And the RRL was concise. Sabihin, shortened version, but it was discussed clearly. The formula was also present. And the discussion was comprehensive, so medyo sinigurado nyo na wala akong masyadong tanong. Now, my last question would be, what's one advice that you could give to the next set of researchers who will utilize or use your study? Can be answered by 2 members. What advice can you give to the next set of researchers who would want to use or utilize your research itself? Sige po. Would like to answer first? Just a short statement would be fine. Sige po. Sige. You may try. Okay, kuya.
Can you repeat the question?
What's the advice you could give to the next researchers who will use your study?
Yeah. May own advice to the next
Researchers.
researcher to
Ano yan?
Tagalog mo?
O sige na, payagin na.
Para sa akin, kung mabibigay ko lang namin na advice ay tungkol sa pag-aaral ng research namin is to research more and
Mga.
study more. Para pag ginagawa mo kayo, ayaw ko isasabihin.
Sige, that's very practical advice. Totoo naman, pag hindi inaral at pagka hindi hanap, diba? Doon lalabas yung mas maraming tanong. Sige, next. Next advice. Can we hear something from the leader itself? Sige po.
Nangyari po, aralin po namin mabuti yung research and gumano po po ng ibang info sa research na nakuha po nila and nagpaalam po sana.
Pagpaalam ko sa inyo. Tama naman yun. Tama. Dapat talaga ilalagay nyo yun.
Credits,
Kasi
credits.
mapiplagiarize naman ang inyong pinaghirapan pag hindi nila in-acknowledge yun. Okay? So, with that, after ito, pwede na kayong mag-group picture dun sa likod. Congratulations sa iyo.